We all know that time is valuable, especially when you're job hunting. If you already have a resume but just want to edit it, improve the layout, or make it look more professional, the Resume Parser is exactly what you need. The Resume Parser is a smart feature that takes your existing resume, scans it, and automatically pulls out all your important information, like your skills, work history, education, and personal details. Then it inserts that content into a professionally designed, modern template, giving your resume a complete makeover without starting from scratch. Why? It's a game changer. Perfect for those who already have a resume but want to revamp it quickly, saves you hours of manual editing and formatting, helps correct formatting issues and presents your info clearly, increases your chances of getting shortlisted. Past resumes are 62% more likely to get interview calls, and if you want to create an ATS-friendly resume, but by using Resume Parser that can increase your chance to land your dream job. Try AI Pro Resume. It is one of the best ATS-friendly resume tool, so hurry up, link is the description.